Hello guys, today we're gonna diagnose this type of battery. Monkey board, I don't know. It's from an electric bike. That sticker, I don't think it's the real deal. Oh, that's a good sign. Something already sounds loose inside. Always charge, tra-la-la. It's been opened before, the seal is broken. So let's open it up and see what's inside. This is a Phillips screwdriver. My friend says that it doesn't charge anymore. So let's take a look inside and see what's that all about. One seems already loose. Let's see. Disconnect these. Ooh, this looks already interesting. It doesn't seem to be broken, but this connector is from the charger. Yeah, something just fell off. We'll just see. And this is the button that should light up all the LEDs inside, which show you that the battery is on. And the top. Okay, I know that just fell off. The screw remained inside. Let's measure. So this is the plus, this is the minus. It said 20 volts, now it's at 16 volts. So obviously we've got to search further for problems. There could be bad cells. And what can I say? This could be part of our problem. This surely is part of our problem. These cells surely are gone. On this other side, nothing seems to be broken. But let's measure them. Let's make sure that they are the problem. 3.4 volts. And the single one, 2 point something volts, 2.66 volts. That's for sure overused cell, because instead of being 3 in series, only this one worked, because these two were disconnected from the series, being broken, the tab being broken. So let's measure all the cells to be sure that that's the only bad row of cells. And then we'll try to change that, only that cell that seems to be nasty. Yeah, they're pretty much about there, so I think this should fix our problem. This is sticky. This is thin. It's kind of thin. It's 0.15, I believe. Okay. I'll test my theory by charging this single cell to up to 3 volts, over 3 volts. So we'll see if the BMS is saying that we are okay. So I've let the charger, the phone charger, for I don't know 2 or 3 minutes and connected all the wiring back to the thingy. I didn't put a charger on the connector yet. It's a 36 volt battery. Okay, I've powered up the battery. You can see it's lit up. The voltage is 33.4 volts, and I can if I push the button, it cuts off the power, remains at 16 volts, but as soon as you put load on the pins, those 16 volts will go to 0. So if I only change this row of cells, the bad one, or actually this one, actually just the 2 cells that are bad, it's safe to say that the battery will work. So it's on, and only these 3 LEDs are lit up, I believe, because it's under voltage. It's only at 3 point something volts, 3.3 or something like that. So I'll change the cells and I'll be back with an update. Oh boy, this really looks bad. And I'm really curious what happened. Could be just corrosion. The cell could be good, but I don't want to risk anything, so it doesn't seem to be perforated anywhere at the first look. So it might have been just because of water, because usually they don't look like this here, but they look like that here. Usually the corrosion affects this side if the cell oozed toxic gases out. There's a So after a while, now I've got some voltage, but well, let's measure. Yeah, it's off. So if I plug in the connector, let's see what it says. The connectors actually. So it goes to 35.6 volts. So now it's another 2 LEDs lit at 35 volts. At 41 volts all the LEDs must be lit. So let's turn it off. Okay. Take the leads out. There's a connector, a small connector here, 3 pins. That's gonna have to be connected first. Some bolts here. So if I press it shortly, it only shows the state of charge. If I keep my finger on it for about 5 seconds, it's on. So I'll turn it off and give it to the rightful owner. This is it for today. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching it. If you made it this far, you are with me, and I want to thank you for that. Have a nice day and see you in the next episode.